There are benefits to dealing with a team of people instead of just an independent person who has multiple skills. When you deal with a team of people, they have overlapping skills, but they each specialize in their own area. So you get the best of all worlds. You get the best of design, the best of creative, the best of development, the best of search engine optimization, the best of marketing. These are all the things that you get when you work with a team of people instead of just an independent person. It's not to say that the independents don't have their place in this world. They very much do. There's a lot of little single owner operators where they have a limited budget, limited cash flow. They just want to get started with an immediate online presence. But if you're a larger organization, over say 10, 20 employees up to 200, we're a great fit for you. Our team is perfect. We have our areas of specialty, and we will make sure that your online marketing experience is second to none.